Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the currency pair, the Eurozone to the Great British Pounds. And as usual, we shall be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart. Now we can notice that the Euro GBP has a loss of 0.84 to trigger a downfall below the 0.83 level. And Euro GBP is easing back from the 200-day moving average DMA at 0.590. Attention, of course, will revert to the 0.8300 and 0.8720 zone on a break below the 0.8400 level, according to economists at Granale. Now, Euro GBP is expected to return to the 0.84 zone, and after reclaiming its 200 DMA near 0.8590 and leading to a regain of downward momentum. And of course, checking our daily time frame, we can see that the next momentum obviously is being looked at 0.8450 and the recent low of 0.8400, which is also the lower band of a multi-month channel. It will be interesting to see if the pair can carve out a higher top, although signs are showing that a possible pullback. This most recent support zone on the daily time frame should make the pair violate the 0.8400 zone. The downtrend could possibly extend towards projections at 0.8340 with possibility to revisit graphical levels since 2016 near the 0.830 zone and extended to the 0.8270 zone. The first resistance, of course, is at the 0.8515 zone. So now, without wasting much of our time, we shall be looking at pure chart analysis, knowing what the trend is actually heading to. Now, back to our 1 hour time frame, we could see, of course, that a lot of momentum gradually dying down from to the downside, and a seemingly uptrend looking in the books. Of course, we need to pay attention to what the Eurozone is looking like. And at this point, we noticed most recent support zone at 0.84551, which also respected the support zone on the 4th of November 2021. And it has been unmatched. So an extension to this point, we have at 0.84185. But what we're presuming is a pullback to at least this point before a probable push up down to the major resistance or support zone at 0.84652. So if we were to make an entry to this trade at this point and let your trade run up to this point, we are looking at about 30 pips on this trade, and most likely going to be ranging for some days before an extension down to this point, which is about 85 pips from that point as well. So if you were to make an entry to this trade, obviously you should be seeing a buy setup and a good trade entry, racking out good profits, as well as knowing when to take your profit and moving ahead. So that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, the Eurozone to the Great British Pounds. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.